it from the last video, but I wanted to go over some of my favorite places to shop right now during this time when to get supplies and things like that, because I know it's been hard. At least it's been for me. I don't know about for you, but for me it's been a little rough trying to get supplies for my business because a lot of places have been sold out, especially for when it comes to skincare making or any type of DIY projects. A lot of places have been sold out. I do have a sheet of paper with me, so if I'm reading off, don't mind me. I just want to make sure that I'm covering everything. So the first place is called Packagingpricecom. The reason why I went to this website and how I found it is I was looking for corrugated boxes. So a lot of places were sold out of the size boxes that I needed and the color that I wanted, because I didn't want the regular craft corrugated boxes. I wanted the white ones or black ones, but this website had only white, which I was fine with, and they had the ones that have the tuck on them where they tuck in to the box, and they have really great prices. And also they offer next day pickup or same day pickup depending on the time that you order. I live in the Atlanta area or south of Atlanta area, and they have a warehouse not too far from me, so we were able to pick them up from the warehouse. So if you do have a Packaging Price near you, they will allow you to come to their warehouse facility and pick up your boxes. So if you say you run out or got a big order or something like that, which actually had happened, you can actually go ahead and place your order and pick up, and it's free, and they give you, I think, 10% off if you pick up your order, so that's really cool. The second, of course, is Amazon. So Amazon, at first, when we first started the business, the shipping was kind of long. You know, it was around a week even for Prime members. So now it's actually sped up. I've been able to get products between a day or two, and it's been amazing because we've been able to get like our pipettes, our syringes. We've gotten all sorts of like bubble mailers and things like that, really affordable price. And also we found different oils, or like flavoring oils, essential oils, and things like that. But you got to be careful as well when you're buying essential oils from Amazon. You want to make sure that it's a good website, and also make sure that where you're buying your oils from is like a reputable company. And look at your reviews. That's why I love Amazon, because they have reviews, and then they have really fast delivery. Also, usplastic.com, I will double check to make sure. I'll put the link down below. But usplastic.com is where we have sourced some of our jars, and they are based out of Ohio, so their shipping is pretty fast if you live on the East Coast. We've seen them ship as pretty quickly, like within 2 days, and they usually will process same day if you order early enough in the day. And their prices are really reasonable. So as far as jars are concerned, there's another place that you can look at. It's called SKS, and they are another company that sells jars, containers, things like that. They are a little bit slower on the shipping. It can take about up to a week because they have multiple warehouses. So they have warehouses in New York, Las Vegas, and I think somewhere else. I can't remember, but they are a little bit slower, but they do have really great prices. I will say though, for both of these companies, the shipping can be a little pricey, even though the jars are inexpensive. You can also get jars from Amazon, but the prices are a little bit higher per jar, per unit. So next, I would say, is Walmart. I've been able to get labels from Walmart really quick, fast, in a hurry, and only like $6 or something like that for the white gloss labels that we use on our packaging. And so we've been able to get that in our containers. Like if you have little containers that you need, you can get some from Walmart for like $1 for storage and things like that. So if you want to do testers or anything like that, you can definitely check out Walmart. sometimes they don't even have it on the website what they have in store, so definitely check out in store for some of the items that you're looking for. We've gone to Target or Target.com. I was able to get my printer from Target. Okay, so let me tell you really quick about this printer fiasco. Because of everything that's going on in this day, printers are like so hard to find. So hard to find. Like everybody's been selling out because everybody's at home. So it took me weeks to get a printer. I actually purchased a printer offline and they canceled my order, and I was so devastated because I really needed that printer. And so then like it seemed like everybody was having a sale on Canon printers, and so they just were constantly selling out at Best Buy, etc., etc. So after weeks and weeks of trying to find a printer that would do good photo quality, I was able to find one at Target for $30 off, and it was $69.99. It's the TS5300, and that one I really like the printer. I know some printers are a lot better than others, but if you need a good printer for starting your business, it's a great printer at a great price. Next, Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, I will say, I know they've been in some hot water recently, but their sales are so good on certain products that you may need for your business. So if you need like jars or oils, soaps, anything, a Cricut, whatever that you need, t-shirts, there's so many things at Hobby Lobby, and they always have a 40% off coupon. So if you find something that isn't on sale, you can get 40% off, which is an awesome deal. Love Hobby Lobby because basically we had sold out of all of our jars and we needed to get some like ASAP, and there was a delay on our SKS order before we ordered from US Plastic, and so we had to source stuff from Hobby Lobby because it was a last minute thing and they had it in stock, thankfully, because we would have been in a world of hurt. So last but not least, I think is last but not least, is Michael's. Michael's is awesome. Michael's also is another place that has a lot of sales and good deals, and also they've been having a big huge clearance something or other on their website recently. But Michael's, if you can find one that's stocked, that's the place to go. The one near my house, my mom has went several times and they have been just like empty of their DIY stuff for what we need. So, but they do have other stuff. We got all of our storage racks. There's like the 10 drawer and the 5 drawer. Sorry, I'm looking at it. The 5 drawer, they were only $30. I was gonna buy some off at Amazon and it was like $50. So I'm like, I'd rather get mine from Michael's. So I've gotten all 3 of our rolling rack drawers for $30 each. Total steal. Also, Lowe's and Home Depot, okay? Lowe's, we got our standing rack, one of those big wire standing racks to put all of our supplies on. It was only like $70 something, and it's like 6 feet tall. It's awesome if you need good storage or anything to put your supplies on. And also we found these buckets from Lowe's to put all of our products in that have the measurements on them, so then we can store all of our products in, so they, we can make bigger batches, because it's so hard to make small batches over and over again. It's best to do one big batch at one time. So that is all of my favorite places that I can think of right now. If I have any more, I'll include them down below. If you have any questions, please ask me. I love chatting with y'all, and I just hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.